Arunachal Pradesh Lok Sabha MP Tapir Gao today urged the Government of India to confer the Bharat Ratna on Dalai Lama, underscoring that he being the messenger of global symbol of peace, non-violence and compassion. MP Gao, speaking during matters of public importance in the parliament, said that this would send a strong message against China's unwarranted claim to nominate the 15th Dalai Lama. Well, Chinese interference will not only destroy the centuries-old spiritual tradition selection system, but also the Buddhism religion as a whole, Gao said.
It's a very important issue that not only India, the world is facing. The Nalanda Tibetan Buddhisms have got the religious traditional cultures of reincarnations in their religions. Now the present Dalai Lama, the 14th Dalai Lama, has turned to 90 years. So after 90 years, after his death, there will be a reincarnation process. Now the issue is, the Communist Party of China has said that they will have to be approved and select the 15th Dalai Lama. It's an issue against not the Tibetans religion, but the entire whole Buddhist world on this planet. And it will be an interference to the Buddhism's incarnations, traditions, religious, will be silenced by the Communist Party of China. So I have raised this issue in the parliament that the government of India should recognize the 14th Dalai Lama, not because he being a Buddhist, but he being the messenger of non-violence, peace, compassion to the world. So I have requested in the 0 hour that the government of India should recognize and award Bharat Ratna to the 14th Dalai Lama.